We have a fresh ball mark here. So we're gonna go through the steps on how to properly repair a ball mark on the greens. So looking at this ball mark, first of all, we don't wanna pull up on the ball mark. We always wanna push to the middle of the ball mark, just so we don't scalp any surrounding areas when we come through and mow. So we'll start first here on the side here so you can see it. So we're just gonna push to the middle, all the way around. And then we'll take our putter and we'll fully smooth out this ball mark just like that. And when it's complete, you should barely see it.